Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, make sure you click the subscribe button down below. So you're probably wondering why I'm in this sweater. It is freezing in my house. As much as it is so hot in Southern California, it's freezing, so don't judge, I'm wearing this sweater. But anyways, I was sitting on my couch drinking my iced coffee that I made and watching my old videos, and I came across the bridesmaid one, which did so well. It got over 2,000 views, which is insane. Thank you guys so much. So like I said, I'm just sitting here watching it, and I was like, I should film another video like this one. So I have all my wedding stuff in a room over there, and there's so much stuff that I want to go through and like prepare for the centerpieces. So that's what we're gonna do today, is figure out how my centerpieces are going to go, because that is the stressfulest thing ever. And so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and if you are recently planning a wedding, check out my bridesmaid gift idea video down below. I'm going to link it for you guys, and let's just get right into seeing all the stuff that I bought for the wedding. Okay, so I'm too short to show you guys all this, so I'm gonna step on here. But all this is wedding stuff, which is insane because all this has to travel to Texas from California, and this is like a huge bin. I don't think the camera does justice, but it's so, oh my God, I almost fell. But it's so huge, and then I still have more stuff upstairs, which is insane. So let's just start with the centerpieces, which all of them are in here, and there's still so much that I need to buy, but this is just majority of the stuff. Okay, so I cleared off this table that is in our living room. I'm still watching this video, and I'm going to set stuff up on here, but first I wanted to show you guys, I actually painted this, and it's the honeymoon fund, and we already have something in there from my mom. But these are just some flowers, and then I bought these clear, and Stroll custom wrote everyone's name on them, and look how pretty they are. And we just painted the back with this rose gold paint. And we just did a couple of strokes, and it was pretty easy, and I'm only doing a seating chart for the wedding court table, so we can all sit together, and the rest I'm just going to leave because it is so stressful. So I do not want to pick everyone's seat for 100 people. It was hard enough for the 20 people in our wedding court, but I'm going to show you guys what I got from Joann's in this bag. Okay, so we're just going to pretend like there's a white tablecloth on this table, but Joann had so many good items. I got this to go around a candle, so I'm gonna have like a clear candle, a clear vase with a candle in it, and this around it. And so let's start with this. Okay, so I have these at home, so I'm gonna look for similar ones for the wedding, and I'm looking for rose gold. But basically all I did is, this is a candle stand, and it's gonna look exactly like this. The only thing is it won't be a like actual real candle. It has to be a fake candle because the venue won't allow us. But I really like how we have sand in here, and then I just put this around it, and then I'm thinking about laying these leaves because the tables are gonna be like more oval, so this will give it more shape, of course, but I think it actually looks really cool. And then of course, like once these lay out more, they're not so like popping up, it'll look a lot better. But I really like this. These flowers are so pretty. Just remember, this will be a white tablecloth, it won't be clear, and I'm gonna have also other little candles around, just so it makes it like more elegant. Okay, so I'm going to have white plates at the wedding, but I have these pink ones from IKEA that I'm going to use to set the table with, so it'll look more elegant with plates. Okay, so because we'll have like actual napkins and dinnerware, I haven't decided whether to put the place card like right here or maybe on the side, or even on the plate. I kind of like it on the plate. It just adds more color because remember the plates will be white, but I think it looks really pretty and elegant with the rose gold. So this is what it looks like, and it looks so pretty. But I'm actually liking it, and it's coming together, and I kind of like that this is silver. I might do silver. Leave suggestions down below where I can find something similar to this, because I've been looking everywhere and they are so expensive on Etsy, so let me know if I can find something like this similar. Guys, this looks so amazing. I'm so excited. Also, for the name cards, I am probably gonna do ours bride and groom. I was gonna put our names, but then I was like, we should probably put bride and groom. And our table where the wedding court is going to be a long table versus everyone else is more oval. So we'll have more room, and I think they're gonna social distance us as well. So fingers crossed that COVID gets better, because we are about a month and a few days away from our wedding, which is insane. It went by so fast. Okay, your position. So I bought a wedding sign from Hobby Lobby, and it's actually really pretty. I was going to get it off Etsy, but they were getting super pricey because of all like the customization of like our names and the wedding date. So I found this one. So I kind of like it because it's more plain, and it just says welcome to our wedding, and I don't think I'm gonna put our names on it or anything. I'm just going to leave it, but I had a really good idea. So the back of this peels, and so I'm actually going to paint it rose gold. I'm gonna link some pictures so you can know what I'm talking about, but the back of it's gonna be painted rose gold, kind of like a water brush thing. But it'll look so pretty, and I think it'll add color to this because it's just clear, and it's kind of hard to see this if like the film wasn't on it. So I'm gonna hope for the best that it comes out good. Okay, so this is the before. It is completely clear, and I mean, see, even on the white carpet, you can like barely see it. I mean, it looks pretty because the white carpet has like some texture, but I like it, but I think I like it better when it is done in pink on the back side. So let's hope this goes good. Okay, so I had to change my shirt because I did not want to get my Gucci sweater dirty, and I've been painting all week, and I actually got the back of my phone case with paint, which kind of sucks. I don't know if you guys can see it that far, but I'm going to be painting the back of our welcome sign rose gold. So let's just pour some rose gold paint in here. We also have the pumpkin nutmeg candle going, which is amazing. It smells so good. And we are going to pour some paint. Okay, this is how it looks so far. On camera, it looks more orange, but I promise it's rose gold. It looks really good, but this is just the first coat. I don't know what I'm gonna do on the edges because I kind of didn't know like where to stop. Like I think this side I left more room than this side, but let's flip it over and see what it will look like. So I flipped it over, and I'm actually gonna wait till the end to reveal it to you guys because it looks so good as with just like one coat. So imagine like more, but stay tuned, let me keep painting. By the way, this is the rose gold paint that I use. I got it from Michael's and I've used it for a lot of things, and there's still a lot, like a good amount in here. Okay, so I'm actually taking a coffee break while this dries. It is currently 2:20. So I'm gonna let it dry for like a little bit more. And guys, it looks so cool. I think it's gonna match the place cards that I showed you guys perfectly. Like, it's insane. But I am so excited to show you, reveal it to you guys, but I have to do a couple more coats and then I will show you. Okay, so I just finished watching our Hawaii wedding video. I'm gonna link down below for you guys. It was so much fun. But it is currently 3:09, or 3:10, I'm sorry. And it is actually pretty dry, so I'm gonna do another coat. But I thought I would show you guys a little sneak peek of how it looks. Also, while I'm waiting for that to finish drying, I just finished editing this video. It should be up by the time you're watching this one. And it is my go-to acai bowl recipe. And it's so good, so go check that out. I got super hungry, so I'm going to make a pizza for me and Gustavo because this welcome sign is taking forever to dry. Okay guys, this is the finished look. It looks so good. It's kind of hard to hold with like one hand, but yeah, I really love it. It came out really, really neat. Okay, so that is all for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and I'm also going to link everything that I bought for the wedding for the centerpieces, as well as the wedding sign from Hobby Lobby. And so thank you for all your support, and make sure you subscribe and click the little bell next to the subscribe button so you can keep up to date with when I post a new video. Thanks again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.